So you'll notice that when I entered this, it automatically converted the distance from centimeters to meters. And the reason we want to do that is because the standard unit of measurement for distance in physics is the meter. So it automatically converted the first two. What we need to do is convert that last measurement. So if we're not sure what the formula is, we can look here and look in our formula bar, and we see that it gives us, it's referring to the cell next to it divided by 100. So we could probably go in here and say equals the cell next to it divided by 100, just like that. And there we go. It converts it to 21.21 meters, and we have an automatic average calculation here, which converts it into time. So now let's go ahead and do that for the second person. You'll notice that for the second person, it doesn't convert any of the distances from centimeters to meters. We need to do that, but luckily we just learned how. So let's go ahead and do that again. 23 divided by 100. And since it's the same idea, I can actually copy this and paste it into all the cells, and it will automatically update for each of those.